Citizens of San Francisco, with your library card, you have free access to more than one ebook reader. Today, we're pitting 4 of them against each other. In this e-reader rumble, each e-reader will make its case to be the one for you. Reader maniacs, prepare yourselves. Each one of these e-platforms offers you hundreds of thousands of books! These fighters are truly heavyweight titleists! Without further delay, the San Francisco Public Library proudly brings you our e-reader champions of the world! Libby, Hoopla, Access 360, and SimplyE! In this corner, Libby!
Yo ho, me hearties! Do you know what time it is? It's Libby time! Do you know how special I be? I'm easy to use. You can use me on your e-reader or Kindle app. I have titles in many languages. Hola, bonjour, ni hao, ahoy! And I'm family friendly. You can link multiple library cards to the same profile so you can manage all your content in one account. I have nothing to say except you're welcome.
Our next contestant, how about a warm San Francisco welcome for the all-time world champion, Hoopla!
It's no holds barred with Hoopla! What I got is yours right now. Books, music, movies, and most important, all the best comics. Yeah, sure, I got the ones about the crazy billionaire who dresses like a bat, but even better, I got the ones about the crazy therapist who knows how to use a bat. And you and all your goons can check out the same item at the same time for your Legion of Doom book group. And let's face it, Puddin', I got the best name, and that's the real Hoopla.
In the next corner, Access 360. San Francisco has been the scene of some of your greatest victories. What do you have to say for yourself, Access 360?
Access 360 here with the goods. I'm actually as good as everyone else pretends to be. Not even the big bad wolf scares me. Listen to this. I have less weights than Libby, more options than Hoopla, lots and lots of children's titles, including classics like me. For real, there are 21 books on Little Red Riding Hood available right now. I'm the 360-degree round-the-world master of no disaster. I'm packing the basket and the reading treats.
This is shaping up to be quite a slobber knocker. In our final corner, the youngest newcomer to San Francisco Public Library. Give it up for SimplyE.
I am SimplyE, and I am the strongest in the universe! Thanks to a freak gamma ray explosion, I am channeling the power of 2 e-readers right here, baby! That's right, I've got all the titles from Libby and all the titles from Access 360 coursing through my veins. So if you want the biggest selection and one app that's easy to manage, you know where to find me. But if you're looking for anger that's easy to manage, I don't do that! Eat, smash, read!
Who's the champion? You decide! But readers and watchers, why limit yourselves? Use all 4 of these champions to find the books, audio, and comics you want. In fact, that's what I do. It's all yours, and it's all free! If you have any questions accessing these world-class titles, contact us at... We're standing by to help you in the